hear that? That's the sound of nature. But this is an absolute idiot. Give me those. Get out of here. Give me that. So welcome back to another weekly nature video, and we're gonna go back to an old video of ours. We're just gonna go back to that tree over there. Get out of the way. So we have the tree over there, and we're gonna go back to it. It's been a couple of it's been a while since we've last been there, so let's go back. Jolly. Gotta watch out for these weeds. Might get bitten by a snake or something like that. Now, if you remember in our last video, this is a domesticated tree, because if you were from this distance, you wouldn't think that there's anything in this tree. Like, Ed, look at the tree over there. Yeah, if you were to look at that tree, you wouldn't see anything noteworthy. But come closer. If you were to see this tree, there's actually an entrance. Oh God, this wasn't here before. This is overgrown. Huh? Pretty neat. What the hell are you doing here? Get out, piece of shit. Alright. So let's see how the tree has changed since the last time I've been here. Oh no. Come closer. So you can see here that there's a big pile of crap right there. A humongous piece of shit in the living room.
Where's the shit?
Hey, get out of here.
How is this the shit?
And this doesn't look clean. There's nothing much here. Looks pretty fine. You can see the leaves still have some crunch to them. There's a couple of feathers here. I'm not sure if something died.
Freeze! I'm with the clout police.
Oh,
You're under suspicion of stealing somebody's clout. Hand it over.
What do you mean?
Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Right now. Drop the clout.
Drop the pod.
Sir.
Can't tell me what to do.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Get out. And don't come back. So anyway, this is gonna be a really quick video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and remember, leave a like, comment, subscribe.